Good morning students. Now in this session we will discuss about some of the MCQ on chapter number 3, that is human reproduction. Now here total 15 MCQs are there that we will discuss, that we have learned in the chapter, that is human reproduction. Now first MCQ, dash is a lytic enzyme released by the sperm. So these are the options: hyaluronidase, trypsin, helicase, none of the above. So dash is the lytic enzyme. Here answer will come, that is the hyaluronidase, as we have seen that the sperm release which enzyme? Hyaluronidase. Second, how many autosomes does a human primary spermatocyte have? 34, 44, 54, 33. So as we have seen, the human, they contain total 46 chromosomes, and out of this 22 pairs are autosomes. So as 22 pairs are there, the answer will be 44 autosomes are there. Number 3, where does the ovum receive the sperm? So here the answer will be the vegetable pole. Next MCQ, dash is an organelle that helps the sperm to penetrate the ovum. So which organelle that helps the sperm to penetrate the ovum? That is the acrosome. It is the organelle which helps the sperm to penetrate the ovum. Umbilical cord, as we have studied, contains which type of cells? So your options are given: pluripotent, cord blood stem cells, and none of the above. The answer will be cord blood stem cells. Now next, how does the human sperm locomote? That is how they move from one place to another. That is with the help of which of the locomotory organ? So here the options are given: flagella, cilia, neutrophils, and none of the above. So the answer will be the flagella. Next, 7th number MCQ is cryptorchidism is a condition where the options are: one or both testes are not developed, one or both testes fail to descend in the scrotum, one or both testes are not formed, and none of the above. So your answer will be one or both testes fail to descend in the scrotum. That condition is known as cryptorchidism. Next, Beeder's canal receives what? So here Beeder's canal receives sperm. Students, please note this Beeder's canal, it is present in the kidney of the frog, and it mainly receives the sperm from the testis. Next, the hormone that is released from the testis is which hormone? As we have studied the male reproductive system, and in that we have studied only the male, it is responsible for releasing the only one hormone, and that is known as testosterone. Next is Wolffian duct, which is also known as dash. So it is also known as mesonephritic duct, and which descends the kidney into the cloaca. That opens the kidney into the cloaca, and that is Wolffian duct. This is generally present in both male and female, but in female the development just it means in female it does not develop, but in male it is responsible for development of internal genitalia. Next MCQ is acrosome is made up of what? So it is made up of digestive enzymes. Next, 12th number, dash is an example of viviparous animal. So your options are given: goat, duck, crocodile, and none of the above. Now what is viviparous animal? So the organism that are responsible to give birth to an individual, that organism, they are known as viviparous. So out of this, goat will be the answer. Next, dash is an example of oviparous animal. Oviparous means those organisms which lay eggs. So out of this, the pigeon will be the answer, that is the bird, because all other, they are the viviparous. Next, dash is an ovoviviparous. Now ovoviviparous means those organisms that are responsible for both, that can lay egg also and that can give birth to other organism also. So the answer will be here basking shark. Next, That is the last MCQ. The dash is a temporary organ that connects mammalian mother to its fetus. So here out of this four options, the answer will be the placenta. As we have seen, placenta, through this exchange of all the material takes place between mother and the developing fetus. So yes students, we have seen the important MCQ of the chapter human reproduction, and here I have displayed the answer key of all this 15 MCQ you can see in this session. All the particular answer key is there from 1 to 15. So these are the important MCQ. Please read it and please just learn the answers of this MCQ. This is the answer key.